So starting off right away, I do want to say I do absolutely love the Meta Ray-Bans glasses. I wear them every single day, like literally every single second. So I do want to say that I'm also affiliated with them, so I want to put that out there right away to get all the information out there. Now, I've had these for about a year and some change. I say a year and 6 months. And yeah, they broke. I was wearing them the other night. I went to go ahead and lay down for a second, which I normally do in these. I never have any issue at all. And that little right part right there snapped. As you can see, there's a little separation. And I didn't think really much of it. Completely dead. Completely dead. Don't charge. You can't use them anymore. It's GG. I guess all the like electronics technically are on that right hand side. So the second you do that, it's absolutely over. I have the case doesn't charge them. I tried charging them with a separate cable where you can get off Amazon. Does not charge them. So yeah, they're dead. Now they still are used typical as glasses. I could still use them as my normal glasses. They are my daily drivers. I use these every single second, or else I can't see. And it sucks. It does. It's kind of funny because I was like, I need to pick up the brand new pair because the new pair just came out, the Gen 2. And the Gen 2 are so much better than the Gen 1. The Gen 2, what they give you is 8 hours of battery versus 3 hours of battery, which is such a humongous improvement. The Gen 1, I like them, but the problem with them is that they die too quickly. And if you really want to utilize these as actual smart glasses, like listening to music, take pictures, take videos, they just die way too quickly. The Gen 2 fixes that features and just overall just look better, in my opinion. So because of that, I mean, it's funny because I was already like, yeah, I'm going to order a new pair of these for Christmas, the Gen 2. And, well, now it's just perfect timing, I guess, because the Gen 1 just randomly end up breaking on me. Now, I was always scared of this when I got these glasses because I do have a big head. And when you have a big head, any pairs of glasses are going to have to kind of stretch out a little bit to get around your head. I have a video on the channel showing like what these look like on my head. And these are the large pair, so these are not the average pair. There's 3 different sizes. You got average, large, and you got extra large. Now, I believe if you do go prescription, you can't get like the extra large. You can only get the large or average, which does kind of suck, and I wish there was an extra large option for prescription-only lenses. There's not. Because of that, you kind of just have to accept it. And yeah, they still fit perfectly good. They still fit fine. As I'm making this video right now, they are on my face. I just can't use them as anything more than just typical glasses. Which, obviously, when it comes to the price tag of over $300, it sucks that I only got like a year and 6 months out of them before they did go ahead and break. But this is something that would be considered user error, not really a product dysfunction, because I went to lay down. Again, I normally do this, no issue at all, but eventually you keep pushing something far enough and more, eventually it's going to break. Just kind of how it works. So I'm not really blaming the glasses for that. I'm more just, it's unfortunate, like, it sucks, man, it really does, but I guess after my year and 6 months of using these glasses, what's my opinion on them? I really do love them. I use them every single day, and I think they have a lot of great functionality. I don't really utilize any of the meta, features, but it's very nice to take videos, take photos while you're out and about and doing things. You don't have to pull out your phone. If you see something happen on the road while you're driving, click a button and bam, you can take a video or picture of it. And, once you connect to Wi-Fi, you're able to instantly be able to go back, download all the stuff right to your phone and send it to whoever you want to send it to. It's a really cool, simplistic feature. They feel good on my head, even though I do have a humongous head. But again, like I said, I haven't tried out the extra large pair. If that could, I would love them. But yeah, it is what it is at the end of the day. I just want to make this video because I know there's some people who are thinking about buying these and they might have a large head like myself. And they're thinking like, is this the best idea? I don't know. And maybe not. Listen, my case was a once in whatever, unfortunate case. probably going to be fine. I do have affiliate links down below, though, to these glasses if you'd like to pick them up. Again, like I said, it's one of those things where, this is my case. If, my situation, obviously, could happen to you, could not happen to you, right? Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.